Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Aisoso Gold Silverware. I have enjoyed this set so much. I have played with it so much. I have used them in with so many placemats. As you can see, I have used them with blue. I use them for my daughter's baby shower. I love that it was a perfect match with the blue, the roses, the white. This is for a tea party that I did. Everything was really pink, and the gold is a really nice gold. It's not this super bright gold, but it's a very, very elegant gold. And the gold doesn't worn off after many times that I have used them. I have washed them, and it's pretty much the same since the first time I got them. It looks pretty much really new. I get so many compliments with this silverware. I'm so happy that I got them. And that's my point of view.